Some of the key terms in a simple way are as follows. Germplasm theory by Weizmann. Darwin says about rudimentary copies called gamules, which transferred from body parts through blood towards germ cells. Excess of nitrogen delay ripening. In crop rotation, legumes must be added. Transgressive segregation fall outside the both of parents. Soybean crop includes in both oilseed and as well as pulse crop. Hidden variability is released by outcrossing. Seed-borne pathogen is always transmitted generation after generation. Polygenic characters, several genes exhibit continuous variation. Quantitative characters controlled by polygenic genes are most sensitive to environmental changes. Protein variability is released from heterozygotes is released by inbreeding. DNA RNA similar except uracil. ICARDA, ICARDA, located at Syria, SYRIA. Genetic engineering is best described application in of molecular genetics is in agriculture. Population genetics is based on Hardy, Wayne, Bergla. Chromatin exchange their parts portion in diplotin stage. Monogenic one or few genes shows discontinuous variation. Metaphase is the stage for the observation of chromosome during cell division. Outermost covering of the seed is testa. Book Origin of Species by Darwin. When both set of chromosomes move towards same gamete, the condition is non-disjunction. Plant breeders' rights operated in Bern. Genotypic variance is due to additive variance, dominant variance, and epistatic variance. First quarantine law passed in 1060 by French CIMMYT, CIMMYT, is International Center for Maize and Wheat Improvement Center. Bari is in agricultural Barani area. Mustard contain uric acid. Polyploids means change in chromosome number when exact multiple of basic number, the change is euploidy, and when not change the exact multiple of the basic, the polyploid is aneuploidy. Hemophilia is sex-linked disease. Female in bird is ZW. Variability in nature is maintained by crossing over or crossover, spontaneous mutation, and then recombination. Elicia, ELECIA technique is used for virus disease detection. Cotyledon is embryo leaves. Monocot mean one leaf embryo, whereas dicot having two leaves in embryo. Colchicine prevent spindle fiber formation. Seed cotton means seed with lint. Bread wheat is yellow hexaploid. Term idiotype by Donald in 1968. Norine, NORAN, Noran 10 is source of dwarf in wheat crop. Value of simple correlation lies between -1, 0, +1, whereas value of multiple correlation lies between 0 to +1. Crossing over occur in all homologous chromosomes of all organisms except male Drosophila. Genotypic correlation is more stable. AZRI, AZRI is Arid Zone Research Institute. In plant breeding, correlation used for yield components. Transfer of DNA from agarose gel to nitrocellulose paper is termed as southern blotting.